Everyone, so welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to discuss about linear regression. Linear regression, right? So first I'll give you a quick introduction of linear regression. We'll see what exactly linear regression means, and after that I'll give you one demonstration, and in that demonstration I'll show you how you can train your own machine learning model. So let's say this is your machine learning model, and we'll be having one dataset here. So this is your dataset, right? So what we'll do, we will pass this dataset to this machine learning model, and after passing this dataset to this machine learning model, we will train this model. Okay, so this step is called model training, and after training this model, we will be able to predict the output. We will be able to do the predictions. Okay, so the first step is to have one dataset, and after that we'll pass this dataset to this machine learning model, and the next step is to train this model, and after that we will be able to do the predictions. Okay, so this is what we're going to cover in this demonstration part. So first discuss what exactly linear regression means. Okay, so let's understand the concept of linear regression with the help of this graph. So this is your x coordinate and this is your y coordinate, right? And these are some of the points you can see here. Okay, we have around 5 points, or the 5 coordinates, right? So let's consider this point. So I'm drawing a line to y-axis, and this is on x-axis. So it is close to point 3, but it is not point 3, right? So let's say if I want to have the output for this point on y-axis on and this point for x-axis. So by seeing this graph, you will be able to predict the result. Okay, so this is the output. But let's say what if I want to have the output for this point on y-axis or and this point on x-axis. So it is not possible to predict the output for these 2 points, right? So for that we need to have some kind of machine learning model which can predict the output for these points, because we can have infinite number of points on both x and y axis. Okay, so using this model we will be able to do the predictions, right? So let me rub this first. Okay, so 1 second. Okay, so before that let's understand the concept of this line which is drawn here. Okay, so you can see the difference between the coordinate and the line. So this is the difference for the first coordinate, this is for second coordinate, for third coordinate, for fourth coordinate, and this is for fifth coordinate, right? So that difference is actually called error difference, right? This is called error difference, and error difference is represented by delta. So this is delta 1, right? Similarly this is delta 2, and we have delta 5 here. Okay, so the red line is drawn in such a way that the sum of square of delta is minimum. So sum of square of delta, right? So this is square of delta is minimum. So this is the idea of this red line, because we can have n possible number of lines, right? So this is the first possible line, this is second possible line. Okay, so the red line is drawn in such a way that the sum of this value is minimum, right? So this is the basic idea about how linear regression works. Okay, so in the next part we'll cover the demonstration, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you.